Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to disable call forwarding on Android step by step in a way that's super easy to follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Phone app. This is the app you use to make or receive calls, and it usually has a green icon with a white phone symbol. Step 2. Within the Phone app, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button with 3 dots, which is your menu button. Tap on it to open more options related to calling features. Step 3. After tapping the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Settings option in this list and tap on it. This will take you to the Call Settings section where you can manage different features. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down gently until you find the Calling Accounts option. This section contains specific settings for your SIM card and network-related features. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Once you're in Calling Accounts, look for the Call Forwarding settings. Tap on it and give it a few seconds to load. This feature lets you forward your calls to another number, but will now turn it off. Step 6. Right now, if call forwarding is enabled, you'll see different options like voice calls or always forward. Tap on the specific one that's turned on, and then select Turn Off or Disable. Just like that, you've stopped calls from being forwarded. Step 7. There's also an alternative way to disable it using a dialer code. Go back to your phone app's dialer screen and type this code on the screen. After typing it, press the call button. Wait a few seconds and the screen will confirm that call forwarding has been turned off. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.